New camera. Yay. Just kidding. It's not going to be mine. So, in February last year, I shot my first video, how to replace your memory, with this camera, the ELPH 110. And then I have been borrowing this camera to shoot my videos ever since. Now that my parents got this camera is now officially mine. So this new camera is an EOS M6 mirrorless camera. Let's unbox it. Bunch of papers that nobody actually wants. Photo album, image away. And this is the camera itself. Also in the box we have a battery. Next, we have a strap. How do you put this on? A charger. And this is what seems to be the lens. How in the world do you get the strap set up? Oh, there we go. Now let's pop the battery in and see if it has any charge. Nope, it doesn't look like it has charge. Okay, I'll leave this to charge for a while and then I'll be back. The battery is probably charged, so I'll try to record some stuff on here to test the quality. Hello, I'm shooting in 1080p 60 frames per second. How do you like it? The audio probably sucks, but you probably can't even see the 60 frames per second because my computer can't even process it. So yeah, I think this is a pretty good camera. So yeah, this concludes the unboxing of the Canon M6. Comment, like, and subscribe, and see you later. Bye.